Hello everyone, today we will discuss about the chapter 1 propositional logic exercise. The exercise of chapter 1 propositional logic, proposition logic. So here the question number 1 is the statement are given below. Here the statement are given below. Here is a two statement, first and second, P and Q. The statement P is Jitendra Kumar is a computer teacher. Here the P denote that is Jitendra Kumar is computer teacher. The Q, that is Q variable, denote Rahul is a student. Rahul is a student. Write this statement in symbolic form. We have to write this statement in a symbolic form. Symbolic form, that means in the form of P and Q by using connectives. What is the connective? Connective, that means in a previous class I am already discussed about the different type of connectives. The connectives are and, or, not, condition, or biconditional. These are the connectives or our proposition logic. So by using these connectives we can perform the symbolic form of this statement. The question is Jitendra Kumar is a computer teacher and the Rahul is not a student. We have to write this statement in the symbolic form. So Jitendra Kumar is a computer teacher. These are the first statement. By this statement we indicate by the P. P denote the Jitendra Kumar is a computer teacher. So in the place of this statement we have to write P. And what is the symbol of and? Here the connectives is and. The symbol is and is this sign, caret sign. These are the symbol of and. Then in the place of and we write the symbol of and. Next, after and, Rahul is not a student. Here is a one statement, Rahul is a student. But in that place we have to written not a student. So what is the symbol of not? The symbol of not is this sign, dash sign or bar sign. We can use any one for the not. I am using this sign, not sign. So not. Rahul is a not a student. So Rahul is a student. This indicated by Q. So we have to write Q. So this is the symbolic form of this question. Jitendra Kumar is a computer teacher and Rahul is not a student. Clear? This is the answer. Next. Jitendra Kumar is not a computer teacher. Here the question is changed. Not a computer teacher. Who? Jitendra. Jitendra Kumar not a computer teacher. So P, what is the value of P? Jitendra Kumar is a computer teacher, but here it is right not. So we have to write firstly not. Who not? So Jitendra Kumar. So the symbol of P. So we have to write not P. Not P, teacher. And again here is and. So we have to write the sign of and. This is the sign of and. Rahul is a student. Rahul is a student. Already we have Rahul is a student. So we have to write Q. These are the answer of this question. Jitendra Kumar is not a computer teacher and Rahul is a student. Next we discuss about the next question. This is the reverse of that question. Here the question is the statement are given below. P equal to today is a holiday and Q equal to I will go to attend a birthday party. P is a today is a holiday and Q equal to I will go to attend a birthday party. So the part of the question is express each of the following statement in words. We have to write in words. Here these are the symbolic form. We have to write in a form of words. So firstly, don't see this firstly. Firstly we have to write P plus Q. What is the value of P? P is today is a holiday. So we have to write today is a holiday. Plus that means or plus that means or. Q, what is the value of Q? I will go to attend a birthday party, or I will go to attend a birthday party. But in the starting of P plus Q, there is one not sign. Not that means that is not true. Not that means that is not true. So we have to write in the starting of this statement, this is not true. This is not true. We have to write, here is not, so we have to write this is not true. Then P, the value of P is today is a holiday, or I will go to attend a birthday party. These are the answer of this question. So next question is this. Again here is not, so we hide this not. Firstly we have to write the P into Q. The value of P is today is a holiday, so we have to write today is a holiday. This is the sign of and. This is the sign of and Q. The value of Q is I will go to attend a birthday party, and I will go to attend a birthday party. But the starting of this P into Q, this sign is not. So not, that means this sentence is not true. So we have to write this is not true. Today is a holiday and I will go to attend a birthday party. These are the answer of this question. Next, here C equal to not P. This not sign is initially on the P, not for Q. So we have to write what is the value of P? P is today is a holiday, but here is a not. So we have to write today is not a holiday. Today is not a holiday. Today is not a holiday, because in the front of P we have a not sign. That's why we put a not. This is the dot, that means multiply. This is a and. So we have to write and Q again. In the front of Q we have again not. So we put a not. We put a not in the Q sentence. The sentence of Q is I will go. So we have to write I will not go to attend a birthday party. I will not go to attend a birthday party. These are the answer of this question. Next and the last one is this. This is the conditional statement, or it is called if then. It is called if then. Here if then. P today is a holiday. So firstly we write if, and what is the value of P? The value of P is today is a holiday. If today is a holiday. So next one is then. So we have to write then. The next statement is Q. I will go to attend a birthday party. If value of P, then value of Q, because is the sign of the name of this sign is if then. So firstly write if, the value of q. In the place of conditional sign we have to write then q. That means if p then q. So if p, today is a holiday, then q, I will go to attend a birthday party. This is enough for this exercise. For the more question of this exercise, subscribe my channel. Thank you.